Welcome to Stark Naked Kitchen. My name is Bex, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make some spicy salmon, followed by some oven roasted Brussels sprouts, and to finish it all off, I have some basmati rice for you guys. You ready? Let's go. I have 1 cup of basmati rice that I will mix with 2 cups of water. For my salmon marinade, I have Worcester sauce, fish sauce, sesame seed oil. I then have red pepper flakes and sesame seeds. And I have brown sugar, garlic powder, and black pepper. For my Brussels sprouts, I have some salt and pepper and extra virgin olive oil. I've started by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. I have started cooking the rice in my rice maker, and now I'm gonna get ready to make the marinade for my salmon so it could sit and soak up all that awesome juice. All right, so now I'm gonna make the marinade. I'm just gonna put all the liquid ingredients. My red pepper flakes. Now, if you don't like spicy stuff, hold off on the red pepper flakes. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this all together. All up in there. And now I'm going to pour that beautiful marinade over the salmon. So we're gonna let this sit while we prepare the Brussels sprouts. And we will cook it as the Brussels sprouts start to get done. All right, that is gorgeous. So I'm gonna show you how I prepare the Brussels sprouts. I cut the tip and then just cut them in half, okay? Now we're going to drizzle some extra virgin olive oil all over them. If you're like me, it's a lot easier to just move it with your hands. So I'm just gonna coat it. You may need a little bit more. So Brussels sprouts are a great fiber source. They actually are very high in antioxidants, and they contain about 81% of your daily need of vitamin C. Okay. Last, I'm going to sprinkle some salt and pepper to taste. Don't get crazy with the salt or the pepper because the fish sauce itself kind of gives a little bit of bite, and I like to pour some of the salmon marinade on my Brussels that are done. From here, all you're gonna do is just dump them on the pan. All right, so I'm getting ready to flip it over to the other side. It's been cooking for about 4 minutes, skin side down. What you're looking for is that little orange color. That's how we know when it rises up that it's cooked on one side. So we're gonna now flip it over for another 4 minutes. So a lot of people ask me what to do with the skin, and if you've cooked this right, it will just fall off like that. Yeah, boy. So I have a little tip for you guys. The way that I serve rice is if I don't have a food scale, I grab a cup from home. This one's about an 8-ounce glass, so I wanna do 6 ounces of rice, so I fill it up to about right here. What's really cool is if you make your lunch at home, you can go like this in your container, and it's nice and separated so it doesn't spill everywhere. All right guys, this is my finished product. You can see I have my spicy salmon, some oven roasted Brussels sprouts, and that basmati rice. All right, enough with this playing. It's time to eat. And that's all I have for you guys. I'm Coach B. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me.